This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Discord Quest badge, a straightforward process. First, understand that Discord does not currently offer a direct Remove Badge button for quests, but there is an effective workaround. We will focus on hiding it from public view and managing its appearance on your profile. This method takes less than 1 minute to complete. Quest badges signify your participation in specific game challenges, often appearing next to your profile picture. While they celebrate your achievements, some users simply prefer a more streamlined, badge-free profile. This preference is purely cosmetic, as removing the badge does not impact your actual quest progress or any game-related rewards you have earned. It is about personalizing your Discord experience. To begin, open your Discord application, ensuring you are logged into your account. Look for the small gear icon, representing user settings, typically found near your username in the bottom left corner of the desktop client. On mobile, it is often accessible via your profile icon. Clicking this icon will take you to your personal settings dashboard, where we can adjust profile visibility options. Within the user settings menu, scroll down and click on the Profile tab, usually found in the left-hand navigation pane. Here, you will see various customization options for your Discord profile. Look for a section or toggle specifically labeled Show Active Quests or Display Quest Badges. Simply click this toggle to turn it off, effectively hiding the badge from your profile for others to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.